Print the snail template and cut out the pieces. Use a glue stick to attach the pieces to cardboard. Once the pieces are firmly glued in place, carefully cut them out with scissors. Cut out all the pieces. For the smaller pieces, nail scissors are easier to use. These are the main base pieces for the snail's body and shell. All the other pieces will be attached crosswise to these base pieces as ribs. The rounded pieces with blue numbers are for the shell. The shaped pieces with yellow numbers are for the snail's body. Sort the pieces by number and by which base piece they belong to. This will make the assembly much easier. For now, I'll set all the shell pieces aside and keep only the body pieces. Since I'll start by assembling the body frame, starting with piece number 1, cut each piece in half along the marked cut line. Apply hot glue along the cut edge and attach the piece to the snail's body with the arrow pointing up. Next, attach pieces number 2, number 3, and number 4 in order. Try to keep them straight and parallel to each other. Now, flip the base piece over and attach the other halves of the pieces to the opposite side. Again, follow the numbers in order. There are no markings on this side, so simply attach the ribs as mirror images of the ones on the other side. Cut and attach all the remaining pieces in the same way on both sides of the snail's body. We've assembled most of the snail's body. Let's continue with the next part. The snail's body is ready. Now we need to assemble the shell. We'll use the same method, starting with piece number 1. This time, I decided to assemble one side completely first and then move on to the other side. You may find it easier to apply the hot glue to the base piece rather than to the cross piece. Use whichever method is more convenient for you. The most important thing is to make sure the edges of the pieces are glued evenly to the strips with the corresponding numbers. The more precisely the pieces are aligned and glued, the neater the finished frame will be. Now, flip the shell over and glue the remaining halves of the pieces in place. Continue in the same order, making sure the pieces are parallel to each other. Now, both parts of the snail frame are assembled. We just need to add the upper and lower tentacles. Cut pieces of wire to the appropriate length. Attach them to the snail's head with hot glue. Cut off any excess wire if necessary. Secure each one with a small piece of craft tape or masking tape. That way, the papier-mâché will stick better later on,